He has named his salon smartly as Thala Talabadi. He's our boss's only friend. His name is Nallathambi.
Change the blade. Lord Ganesha, whether crops grow or not when it rains, everyone must grow long hair. I must keep on cutting and earn well. If TR decides to shave his beard, I must give him the shave. Give me the knife!
Like Vadivolu had a story in getting the bakery shop in Philamgiri, Nallathambi too has a story began getting this salon shop.
Son, groom ran away from marriage after knowing my daughter is pregnant.
Will he stay back till the delivery or what?
Let him go to hell, useless man. You are the only one with a smiling face in the marriage hall.
For that?
You must give a new life to my daughter.
Go, man! Go! Get lost! Are you trying to register a second-hand bike in my name used by someone else, man?
Wait, my dear son. If you marry my daughter, I will give my saloon to you, my lucky fellow. What do you say?
He liked the deal very much.
Oh, I'm feeling hungry. Mommy, let's have something.
Wait, I'm coming. Copy or do something at least to pass this year. I'm unable to show my face in the public. I feel ashamed.
It's already gone. Confirmed it's gone. Yes. It's going every year now. Anyway, please check and give me a call. Okay. Brother, it's not a big deal to take bits to exam. You must pass exam by copying those bits. That's important. Okay, I will drop you.
But I didn't have my breakfast yet.
No use in writing your exams useless. Mother, bye.
Hey, thank you.
You'll feel sleepy if you eat and go. Drink this and go on.
Mommy, then why don't you have this too?
You're right. Have lunch after the exam.
Too much, Mommy. I'll show you after I pass this exam. Hey! Hey. Okay.
Brother, why are you standing? There is an empty seat. Go and sit there. Oh my God.
Oh, where is my bit? Oh my God, I can't live without that. I won't pass the exam without that. Where is my bit? Someone please find it for me. Oh my God, please give it to me.
Excuse me? Is it yours?
Yeah, give it to me. Thanks a lot. You know, you saved my life today. I can't imagine what I would have done without this. Did you read this? I don't feel ashamed to tell you. I'm going to write arrear exam. For that I have made 36 bits. But no one can find them. 3 bits out of that is inside my underwear. But the main thing is, to know where the other bits are, I have to refer the main bit. Okay, forget all that. What do you do? She's not allowing me to chat up with her. I'm going to write my arrear exams. Best of luck.
Pardon?
Pardon her? For what?
Hey, boss. What
Oh.
is this, man? You're following her like a hutch dog. Dude, had you said this to me, I would have dropped you, man.
I'm going to write my arrear exams, buddy. If you come with me, I'm not going to pass
What?
for sure. Each time you make me fail. My friend,
Huh?
we both can't be together, man.
My friend. Dude, I'll tell you something. Even if Goddess of Learning herself drops you, you'll not pass.
Is that a joke?
What else then? Don't bother about astrology. Peep into your neighbor's paper and pass the exam.
Get lost.
I can't leave you so easily. Or else you'll say, I didn't drop you this time. That is the reason you failed. Or else you would have obtained state first and got gold medal. Terrible. I will not give space for all this. Come, get on my back.
So you don't want me to be successful in life. Okay. Go.
Hey, enough, come. Instead of taking these many bit papers, had you taken some bit clothes, you would have become a boutique shop owner, buddy. These many bit papers, how do you fail in the exam?
It's not the problem, buddy. Each time I go to the exam hall and forget where I've kept the exam bits. That's the problem. That's why this time I've made a plan. To know where I've kept the smaller bits, this time I've made a master bit.
What?
Dun-dun-dun. How's it?
Practice makes a man perfect.
Hey, what does that mean?
Yes, that means practice will always make a man perfect, said Swami Vivekananda.
Okay.
Henceforth, no evil forces can make you fail, buddy. Can make you fail.
Boss!
Hey.
How are you, boss? How are you, boss? It's been long 6 months. Last year we met. See? You have put on weight. Look at me, how trim I am.
You suffering from
No,
diabetics?
full dead, sir.
Oh.
Coming arrears, I'll become more trim. You should also reduce weight because we are all getting
Who
it.
is this old man? Your uncle?
Who is he? Your attender, huh?
This guy has kidded me, it seems.
I'm joking. Don't get angry. I am Venkat. I am boss Arrear
What?
friend.
Arrear? Oh, God. He looks like a pumpkin with a tie.
Nice meeting you.
Okay.
I want to talk to you a lot of things. Come, we'll go.
Had I known guys like him will come, I wouldn't have come to drop him. Shit.
Leave the exam. Let it be there. Boss, very important thing.
What is that?
I have released a new thing.
A new release?
4 months old. Boy, look at there.
Hey, that's nice, buddy.
As if he has released Avatar at 1,000 crores. Bloody.
Hey, leave it, bro. Not everyone gets it for free.
Boss, what you're telling?
My friend has got twins. Come, let's go watch your release.
Boss,
Come.
it's vacation time for kids.
Oh,
They are very much pestering me to take them for a vacation. Our arrears exam is like a picnic, no? That's why I brought everyone here. By the way, are you married?
no.
Next time when you come here to write arrears, you should bring your wife along. That's a request. You should marry at the right time, boss.
Hey, you writing exams since Gandhi era, you don't talk about era, man. Stupid.
Had
give
this
me.
milk.
Hello, how are you?
Yeah, I'm fine. How are you?
I'm
Try
doing
to
good.
pass at least this year.
Yeah,
All
for
the
sure.
best.
Hey, what's that, man?
It's me.
You would have drunk in the right
I
now.
slept.
He's an old man, buddy. Come on, leave him.
Oh, friendship,
boss,
is it?
What's our next plan?
Family planning for you.
I didn't ask you. Boss, what's our next plan?
Hey, why are you building up like scientists, man? As if you were those scientists who sent rocket to moon. Both are dullards who have come to write arrear exam. Go, bell has rung. Go, get lost. Get lost, man. Hey, let's cut our friendship today.
Why, man?
Then what, man? He looks like elder son of Adam and Eve. If he is your friend, then who am I?
What is this, man? Don't be so insensitive. This is 5 years friendship, man.
Oh, I see. Friendship from heart is friendship, not that on face value. Very interesting. Shit.
God, give me the strength to write this exam in a very correct way. Even though it is an arrears exam, I'm taking it very seriously. Bless me, God. Boss.
What is it?
Why you keeping all the bills there?
Get lost.
Boss. Don't get past. Then I'll become a lone tree.
Hey, you. Keep your mouth shut.
Make him fail,
Oh.
please.
Wow, super. Escape! Oh my god.
Pass it. Pass it on.
I'll try, madam.
Pass this paper.
Okay, madam. Take it, madam.
Hey, what are you doing? That's my bit.
Front pocket, sleeve, neck, left side shoulder, right side shoulder, pant pocket, under. Take all the bits. Huh? 31, 32, 33. 3 is missing.
It'll take some time, is it okay?
It's okay.
Why don't you leave the bit in my underwear? Let me pass with it.
It's okay. Sit down.
I need some water.
Go.
Madam, he is looking into a book and writing.
Hey, what are you doing, madam? You're not letting me use my bit or my books. How can you do such things? How do I pass my arrears, finish my degree, get a good job, get married and make children?
Pardon?
Pardon. She doesn't have anything else to say. What think you? Idiot, stupid, nonsense, you country fruit. Degree no, marriage no, children no, matter no. I complain principle. Name tell, name tell. Tell name, tell. Come on.
Pardon.
Hey, idiot!
Hey,
Got caught while copying an exam by a lady professor and you've come out shamelessly. Why are you watching this item song as if you've passed IAS?
in life all these things are usual, buddy. Why should I think about those things? What does he think of himself? I think it's getting late. Let's go, mummy.
At least drink some
Please,
juice
Train,
for
he's
me.
insisting so much. Have it, son.
Then what you're doing? Did I
What are
ask
you
you something
doing?
wrong?
If anyone asks questions while eating, he gets chopped. Be careful, dear.
Please drink.
Oh my god.
Okay, now you tell me what you're doing.
It seems he won't leave me alone. I would like to talk to her alone.
Hey, what
Keep
are you
quiet,
telling?
mom.
You can talk.
What should I ask her? I have no clue.
Tell me. What's it?
Can you please give me your mobile?
My mobile?
Give it to me. She's using camera mobile.
What are you trying to do?
That's nothing. I'll give a missed call to Saravanan. See, he'll call you back. Oh. Didn't I tell you? See how fast he is. Now do you understand how much he loves you? Okay, just a minute.
Hello, Nandini?
What is it, Saravanan? Did that cow deliver a calf yet?
Hello? Nandini? Hello? Who is this? Hello? Tell me who is this? Hello?
Wait. Now talk to the calf. Talk to him. He's on the line.
You
Talk
want me
to him.
talk?
Come on, talk to him.
Hello?
What happened, Nandini? Any problem?
Sorry. please keep talking.
What happened?
What, brother? Did he talk?
My brother wanted to talk to her. That's why I connected the line.
I saw her face only on the wedding day. Now the technology is improved so much. What you say? Then brother, what you're doing?
Sir, I'm actually... just a minute. Hello? Yeah, tell me, buddy. Hello? 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 Huh? I think the tower is a bit weak here. Just a minute. I'll just talk to him and come.
Carry on, carry on.
Hello?
He's
Yeah, how are you,
always
man?
Busy.
Sorry, sir. It's a close friend. He was in school with me. He wanted a job in Dubai. That's why I arranged it
Dubai?
for
In
him.
this important matter, why
I
did you
am
enter?
asking you. You are not telling. Tell me what you're doing. Brother, don't feel shy.
I just finished my degree. Waiting for the passport. Once it comes, I'll go abroad.
By the way, where did you finish your degree? Mumbai or Chennai?
Before this guy asks all sorts of questions and kills me, Mommy, shall we leave? Sir, we're making a leave. You can decide on a date and let us know.
Yeah.
Okay, sir? Okay,
Please,
ma'am.
Carl.
Come on, let's
Okay,
go fast.
bye.
Enough,
Hey,
enough.
we'll
That's
visit
not
temple
required,
and
Mom.
go.
Come, let's
Just
go.
5 minutes only, please. Hey, please listen. Let me go, please. Hey, what happened? What happened? You were fine only just before.
Come, dear. You
careful.
came at the right time. Brother,
You want water?
enough. Stop. How long you're
Tell
going to
me
act
what
like this?
happened?
It's enough. I've already told you. This is
Yeah,
my
yeah.
second daughter, Chandrika.
Oh,
Hello, auntie.
This is
Greetings,
bridegroom's
dear.
mother. She has finished MSc.
Oh, I see.
She's a training lecturer here.
oh.
He is bridegroom's brother. His
Oh,
name is Bhaskaran.
Have seen him somewhere, I guess. What is he doing, Dad?
He finished his degree, waiting for the passport. When he gets it, he'll fly. What, brother? Am I right?
Actually, which country are you going? Dubai? Abu Dhabi? Dubai Main Road? Dubai Cross Street?
We are leaving here.
Welcome.
Hey, we are going to temple. Just only 10 minutes.
Why do you want
I
to
must
stand
go.
here and waste time?
should come with me.
Something
No,
important.
no, no. Please leave me alone, sir. Mommy, come.
Look at
Hey,
him
are we
here.
going to
He's
temple?
funny.
If you want, you can go to the temple. I'm going home.
Dad, have you properly cross-checked? Is bridegroom really a veterinary doctor?
Why you asking like this? Certainly I inquired. Bridegroom is a veterinary doctor at Tanjavur. Monthly 25,000 rupees salary. Responsible person. No liquor, no cigarette, no bad habits.
Okay. Because already I know his brother.
I have inquired about him also. His name is Bhaskar. He didn't finish his degree. He has got no job at all. He is roaming around some saloon shop. An irresponsible person. If you want to describe him in one word, a useless fellow.
Key. Bike key.
Give him the keys.
Hey, listen, battery is low, say it quickly, else it will switch off. Hey, Talapati! How are you, brother? He called only me, not you. Yeah, bro, I'm coming. How will it succeed if you ask me like that? We are leaders of the town. We'll discuss about the election coalition. I'm telling you, keep it in your mind. Come 2 steps behind me while I'm in public. Because I am library, you are paper. See, go and buy 2 tickets. I will talk to him and come. Boss, you need to work like fire. Greetings, bro. Bro, how are you? Are you fine? This skinhead guy here to buy theatre or collect loan due. Greetings, bro. How are you doing?
Brother, how are you?
I'm fine.
How's your business?
Mom,
Going on,
give me
bro.
some
Why
water.
did you come around my place? Looks like you're getting wealthier by the day.
Oh, bro. Only you can be fine in the place you live.
You're always like this, man. Okay, came for the
No,
movie.
to take a skirt.
This brother always speaks with some meaning.
He's a moral.
Okay, who's that guy? Is he your friend?
Forget about him, bro. He is a useless guy.
But if you have matchbox?
Sorry,
Boss,
I don't have
do you have an extra ticket?
No,
Sorry,
we don't
you-
have.
What is
You-
this, boss?
Is it the theatre-like festival with the release of Ajit and Bijay films?
If this is like this, what if they both act in the same film?
No chance. Tala is different from Talapati, dude. Both can't unite, dude.
They have come together, boss.
What are you saying?
A man is running a saloon in the name of Talapati, boss. It seems fans of Tala should come to a saloon. Fans of Talapati also should come to him. And those fans should fight each other. But he will make lots of money and be happy in his life. Is this justice, boss?
Boss, who is he? Where is he?
Look there. The man in white shirt who's talking business to that bald-headed man. Boss, be careful, boss. He can't take much. Did you see how I lit the fire?
Greeting, bro.
Oh, greetings, bro.
Ajit Fans Club.
Your hero has
Yeah.
many fans. Sure.
Okay.
This year, your hero's film will be great.
Yeah,
Super
sure.
duper
That's
hit.
right.
Talapati, I am a big fan of Vijay.
I thought you were Econ's fan. Are you Vijay's fan? Don't worry, bro. Your hero's film also will be great hit.
Why that name Tala Talabadi? Make it Tala.
Or make it Talapati.
You are all small kids. You don't know the philosophy of life. A coin has two sides. Life has happiness and sorrow. Like that, everything is same. Sky and earth, day and night, sun and moon, good and bad, north and south, east and west. These two things, if you get deep into
We
the
asked you
life.
about Tala and Talapati, but you are speaking like idiot.
Hey! These guys don't know respect, man.
Blood.
Thanks, bro. They are not decent like you.
Hey, we are worse than
Leave
them.
me, bro. Hey, leave me, bro.
Hey, why are you bleeding, man?
Hey, who has the guts to fight Tala Talabadi, man?
What happened?
Leave it.
Buddy, why don't you start a ladies' beauty parlor in the name of Trisha and Asin?
Why? To get beaten up by all heroes, huh?
Hey, this is usual for a warrior, man. Hey, come on,
no,
come on.
man.
Hey,
Leave
give
me,
way for
leave
the
me.
warrior.
Please,
Give
dude,
way.
leave-
Move. Nitya? Hey, Nitya. Hey, I'm calling you. What happened?
Mom, brother came home. He came home.
Hey, what is the matter?
Hey, Bhaskar, do you have any sense? You're roaming irresponsibly. Why are you interfering in your brother's life? No one can change you.
What's the time now? 3:45. You're roaming and coming. Nobody can change you.
I had fixed your brother's marriage and first night time. Why did you do like this, fool?
What happened? Why are they shouting at me?
Hey, you decorated the first night too. Where is the key?
I kept the key. How did this key come in my pocket?
Oh my God! Give that key. You have done a very good job.
Where did you go? I was trying to call you. Your number was not reachable.
You didn't get my line? Just a minute. Oh, battery low. It's been switched off. Why didn't you all break open the door?
You blabber like that. You want to break the door at first night? What would the new bride will think about us, huh?
Brother-in-law is tensed. Be careful with him.
Hey, tell me, no?
Nothing.
Hey, tell me here.
Nothing.
Come on, tell me.
Responsible fellow he is, but you go and sleep upstairs.
Yeah, okay.
Don't feel anything wrong.
That's
Okay,
okay.
go and sleep.
Okay, mother, you go and sleep. I will.
Hey, you. 1 second. Come here.
Yeah, tell me.
Have this. Have it. Go and sleep there.
Mother!
Hey, why are you like this? Do you know what's the time now? There's good time for everything. Go and sleep there. I'm telling you, no? Go there. Why are you blinking like this? What happened to him?
Sharavanan. Sharavanan, listen.
It's all my fate.
Sister-in-law marriage is such a big problem in such a easy way. She's a brave woman. Tomorrow she might ask why I am jobless, why I am sitting idle. She might even ask me why I didn't finish my degree. She'll definitely ask this. I should not give her opportunity. I must put an end to it. Mummy,
I have told you many times, don't sit
that's
there. Come this
okay,
side.
Mummy. Then tell me, how's your daughter-in-law? Is she okay?
She's very intelligent girl.
Yeah, that's exactly what I'm saying. She is very, very smart. She might cross our line too. Beware.
Shut your mouth.
But if she enacts drama of reforming me like in the film Vanatapula, then I'll get very, very angry, Mummy.
What will you do after that?
I'll break the family. I'll make them leave this house.
Oh my God. Get out.
Mummy, you have to properly tell your daughter-in-law
See, what
about
all
me,
he's
Mummy.
telling?
What better
He'll
work
never
do you
going to
have other than
change.
this? But I'm telling you, if she crosses my path anytime, then I won't
Nothing,
waste
dear.
my time
he
talking
doesn't
to
eat
her.
anything, so he's getting angry. He's always like this. Come on, have your food. You come with me, dear.
Bhaskar, please come here.
What is it, Saravanan? Have you told everything about me to your wife in one day? Oh, are you in a poultry farm? I hear many chicks noise there.
Am I angry on you? Please cut the call.
Hey, stop. Stop, I say. Hey, I'm asking you to stop, no? Hey, wait, man. Where are you rushing?
Get lost.
Just now I met the astrologer. He said tonight is also okay for a first night. But the bride and groom must enter the room before 8 p.m. it seems. That's all. What the hell is he doing? Oh, he's feeling shy. Yesterday, your first night got cancelled because of me, right? I felt very sad about it. I couldn't sleep last night, you know. That's why I went to meet the astrologer first thing in the morning. By God's grace, your first night has been fixed for tonight itself. I have to decorate the room, buy jasmine flowers, go to the market, meet him, and many other things to do. Huh?
You want cool drinks?
No, man. Today is auspicious day. I don't know if the flowers will be there or not. I must search and find him. Yeah, give me. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, thank you.
Brother,
What is it?
that jasmines.
Yeah.
Buy extra. Extra.
Jasmine. Okay.
Be careful.
Tell me. I'm in the terrace. Tell me what's it about.
Then, you never told me. It seems it got fixed.
What's fixed? I don't know.
That is, what got cancelled yesterday, it seems it got fixed.
Oh, really? What do you say? I really don't know. Aunt didn't tell me anything. Such a important...
What happened, dear? Who is on the line?
That's your son online. He wants to talk to you.
Hello? You feel shy?
What?
I feel the same.
What are you blabbering, Saravana?
Hello, mother.
What, dear?
Is it okay if I come by 6:30 or 7:30?
Why do you want to come that much early?
It seems must enter by 8 p.m. some formalities.
I see. Your wife paid condition on day one itself. No way. Now that you are married, you must earn more, come home leisurely after completing all your work.
Oh, mother, no. What was cancelled yesterday is fixed for today and must enter the room before 8 p.m.
Hey, why are you so eager? We have fixed it next week on an auspicious day. Silly. Cut the phone and mind your work.
Next week? That jasmines extra. Buy extra. Bhaskaran.
Tell me again.
Pardon.
Tell it loudly.
Pardon.
Stretch it and tell.
Pardon.
Dude, she's asking you to sing, man.
Is it?
Since she's a young, so she's feeling shy, so she has cut the word short.
Buddy, though you failed in 6th class, you are a real genius in English.
Buddy, not everyone is fortunate.
yeah.
You see, next time when you see her, sing a good romantic song.
Okay.
Hey, wait. Sing a song for sample.
Should I sing? Oh my God.
You fool. Idiot. Instead of singing that, eat the girl alive. Will you sing such a song to romanticize a girl? Sing a romantic song, man.
A romantic number?
Huh. Okay.
Excuse me, 1 minute. Only thing I tell. New sari, beautiful. Very, very beautiful.
Pardon?
Song. Light my fire, let me give you a kiss. Yeah. Didn't she like that song? La 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 la.
Excuse me, what are you trying to do, man?
You were asking me to sing. That's why I sang.
Oh, pardon doesn't mean I'm asking you to sing. I didn't get you what you said. Come out more clearly.
Yeah, now whatever you said, I clearly understood. That's why. How is that?
Very smart.
Hey,
What happened? I told my boy not to tell you where I am. Did he tell you?
I'll give you a punch. You bloody liar. Either say you know or you don't know. Why do you claim you know everything?
Tell me what happened. Pardon means I didn't get you. I think she's speaking British English.
I was so embarrassed singing ugly songs in front of her too.
But buddy, before leaving, she said very smart. That too with a smile. What is the meaning of that smile?
Oh yeah? It means I'll be a laughing stock to everyone.
Hey man, check if oil is leaking from silencer.
Hey,
Huh?
give me an answer first, man.
Hey, listen buddy. For girls, if boys talk too much, they are soft. If they don't talk, they're big bore. Without grammar, local. With grammar, rich guys. If they speak with smile, they're ogless. Without smile, robots. That's you.
Hey,
But for boys, girls are only two types. One is super figure, another is ordinary figure. Your girl is super figure. You'll get her. Don't worry.
hey, how's it, man?
I'll do something which you can't. I am giving a romantic look. If you observe and deliver it to her, she'll fall for
Really?
you. Watch carefully. Keep the tongue left, slowly come to right and turn far.
Sir, please don't split.
Let's go there and practice.
Yeah, okay. Oh.
Why did you keep your face like that?
Don't I look romantic in this face?
Look like a horror film heroine. Idiotic. I thought your reaction today morning, no. Do that. You did one before, no. Mix both. That's it. Fix it. God, dude. Your girl has come.
Hey, where is she?
wait,
Shall
man.
I go and tell her?
Why are you rushing? Will she turn into male in next 5 minutes or what? Look here. Don't rush. You must be patient. You have phone, right?
Yeah, I do.
Is it charged? Do you have headphone?
Yeah, I have.
Plug it into yours. Every second I'll keep on sending instructions. Just follow it and move the coins.
Huh?
She'll fall for you. Let's have party tonight. Go now. Go, bro. You didn't go still? Go, dude.
Yeah.
What? You're taking blessings from me? I am some big godfather. You are taking my blessings from me and are going to appear for IAS examination. Dude, don't irritate me. Get lost.
You are the real friend.
Still, what all idiotic things he's going to do? Only God knows. Dude, I myself am scared man. Reduce it. Okay. Fix it. Fix this one. Okay. Dude, driver has come. You remember all the dialogues I thought you know. Deliver it in the same modulation. All the best. Okay, bye.
I don't think you're beautiful at all. I even never felt like falling in love with you. He said something else too. Yeah, I fear all this may come true. Talking to you. Hello, stop. Total disaster.
So, buddy, when is the party?
I'll give you a tight slap. I would have expressed it myself better. You said modulation and it's a disaster now. Hell, whoever gave you this idea? Why? Won't he say it directly? He has to beat around the bush.
Leave out what he said and tell me what you said.
How did I say it? I don't think you are beautiful. I never felt like falling in love with you. But I fear all this may come true. But bus left before I completed it.
You idiot. If I ask you to deliver it romantically, you have delivered it arrogantly. Who will love you, man? Idiot. Useless fellow.
Buddy, everyone has his own style. I can do only what is possible for me, right? It's my bad luck that I asked a father of two kids like...
Up only.
Nalathambi,
Yeah, tell me, sir.
that hair look thick. Don't cut it very
Okay.
short.
Oh, okay. I will cut and make it appear thick.
I'm going to Tanjore to meet my
Easy.
girl.
Good news, sir. Congratulations. How can I make it look thick? I can only fry dosa on it.
What do they think of me, buddy? Huh? What do they think of me?
Dude.
A man without money should not fall in love. Only a man with money can love, is it?
Customer, dude.
Oh, sorry, sir. You should have told me he's a customer, right?
Remove your bags first.
Hey, what's happening? Huh?
Sorry, sir. Close friend, that is why. Dude, out.
Okay.
Make it fast.
Ready, sir.
I have to go to Tanjavur.
Okay, sir.
Is money everything, buddy? Can't I earn money? Do you know for how many people I have found jobs? They've all settled in Singapore, Malaysia or Dubai. They are calling me every day and asking and begging me to come there. Why didn't I go? This is my soil.
Dude, this is his head.
Hey.
Sorry, sir. It came in a flow. Dude, go and sit there.
Nalathambi, nowadays you are very bad.
Sorry, sir.
Who is this Nalathambi? He's your friend?
Yes, sir. Close friend. Got little emotional.
Make it fast, I have to go.
Okay, sir.
Buddy.
Yes, dude.
I'll get my sister married in just 6 months, you see.
Instead of the priest, you will recite
You
Heinz.
fool.
Huh?
How much will it cost? 3 lakhs? 5 lakhs? I will earn and show you. I will show them all.
Useless fellow.
What happened, Nalathambi? Go, man, go.
Sir.
You are a very bad guy.
No, sir.
He spoiled everything.
Though he doesn't have much hair, he comes every month regularly, man. Huh? Dude, open the shutter, man. Hey, first open the shutter, man. If my father-in-law sees this, he'll burn me alive, dude. Open it, buddy. Listen to me. Open it. What is he doing inside the closed shutter? Will he commit suicide by hanging? Dude! Huh? Look, he's sleeping like in a dentist chair. Hey, get up, man.
Where is my car? Where is my factory? Where is my driver, Nalathambi?
To get rich in one song, are you superstar Rajinikanth or ultimate star Sharat Kumar? Dude, make me as your role model and come up in your life step by step, man.
Buddy, the step-by-step method will not work out for me. I must reach the top in one day.
You wanted to reach top in one day, no? Is this top okay to you? You must climb to the top daily and make a note of the reading. That is your job. Congratulations. As you wished, you are reaching top in one day. Young man, take care of him.
I'll take care of him.
You wanted to reach top in one day, right? Why did you come back?
I didn't like the job, buddy.
Remove the cooling glass. Irritating. Tell me now, why will it not set for
Buddy,
you?
a girl is dependent on me, buddy. If I fall down from there and break my limbs, who will take care of me? Will you take care?
I'll cut your finger. You... Dude, your girl has come.
What are you murmuring?
Dude, girl, man. Too much tension, dude.
Come on, man. Let's have a beer.
Yes, you haven't understood Chandrika as much as you've understood me. You're my friend, man. Dude, you wanted a job, I got you one. You said a girl is depending on you, agreed. Now the girl came to meet you, you also sent her out. What is your problem, man?
It is too high, man. I can't work from that height.
With your wife, where will you go to honeymoon after marriage?
Honeymoon? Buddy. Ooty or Kodaikanal?
For these things alone, you will take her to high places.
Don't talk filthy things like that. Find me some other job. I'll do it.
Buddy, I have one of my friends in Madras.
Please don't send me to Madras, man. It's very hot there. I don't know how people live there. I can't go there, please.
Yes, it's little hot only. How about the chemical factory in Madurai?
Hey, I'll get skin allergy, buddy. It'll affect 3 generations. I read it in paper. Should our children be punished for our wrongdoings? You tell me, buddy.
Correct. What else? Dude, marketing job?
That's a dog's life, man.
Hey, dog's life is better than your life. How about driver?
No guarantee for life, man.
Conductor?
That's a very cheap job.
The spoon helper?
Buddy, even I have a status, man.
Oh, Are you becoming a hero in film star?
Rajni Kamal, Vijay Ajit, Vikram Surya. Heavy competition, buddy.
Competition is between them only. Why is he bothered? Then politics?
No, I can't even think about that.
Hey, why don't you open a saloon shop like me?
Buddy, how do I ruin your business, man?
What do you think you're doing now? Take your hands off me. Really? I'm telling from the bottom of my heart. I swear, you'll never come good in life. Never, ever.
Hey, you're going, right? Okay, go. I'll show you how I'm becoming Ambani in 6 months. How to become Ambani in 6 months. This scheme seems to be good. Looks like they won't let me become Ambani. Hello?
Good morning, sir. I'm Sandhya calling from Indian Overseas Bank.
Sandhya, is it? Which Sandhya?
That's what, sir. You bought a mobile phone on Bhaskaran's name from Universal Mobile, right?
Yeah, that's right. I bought it for my girlfriend. Why, what happened?
Congratulations, sir. We have sanctioned a loan to you as a festival offer.
A loan? That too for me?
Yes, sir. You are Bhaskaran, aren't you?
She is giving all correct
Hello.
details. I have never taken money from anyone till now. But since you are insisting so much, how much will you sanction?
How much ever you want, sir.
As much as I require? What are you saying?
Yes, sir.
And after that, you won't torture me asking for my ration card and license, right?
No need of anything, sir. If you come personally, you can take cash in 5 minutes.
Full cash in 5 minutes.
Bhaskar, about you, my daughter told me everything. I know your position. In your position, it is very hard to go to any relatives asking
But
for money. But if you want some cash, you can straight away come and ask me. Why you're asking through my daughter? Tell me.
But when did I ask her?
Please.
Okay, brother. Then, how much loan you need? Loan amount, how much money you want as loan?
Give me as much as your bank can afford, sir.
Okay, what business you are planning to do?
Whatever amount you plan to give me, it depends on that.
Okay, you have any collateral?
You mean murder?
What I'm asking is, you have any properties on your name?
No. I don't have anything like that. I am planning to earn everything for myself.
Good build-up. You said you finished the degrees. You have the certificates?
Degree. But then your daughter didn't let me copy. She didn't even let me take the bits from my brief. I have +2 certificates, sir.
When I asked you how much loan you want, you don't know. When I asked what business you're going to do, you don't know. You have studied something and got any degree, that too you don't have. How brave you're coming to bank and asking for loan. Tell me. You have wasted total 10 minutes of my time. Scold me. Scold. Why you stop? You started to abuse me. Then why you're stopping in between? I don't worry about all these things. Hello. Take that also. Look at this boy.
Is brother there?
Yeah, he's there.
Come. Did you see how long we had to walk for
Hey,
getting loan?
Forget it, buddy. He will have to walk more than us to get back the money, right?
Remove.
It's actually the sun.
Remove the glass. I'm seeing arrogance in your
Buddy,
words.
nothing like that, man.
Dude, I'm taking loan trusting you. Please don't betray me, buddy.
What is this, man? Don't speak inauspicious things when you are going on a good work.
I like your speed, but just speed won't do. Cleverness too. Understood?
Hey, tala
Greetings, bro.
It's a public place. Should I come 2 steps behind you?
Cleverness, eh? Bro, looks like you're so fine.
Yeah, I'm fine. Sit down. Okay, what's the matter? Why have you come this side?
Bro, he's my friend Bhaskar.
Hey! My son, slowly please. My ears are hurting. You tell me, brother.
I mean, he's my friend Bhaskar. He wants to start a tutorial center. Very good boy. He's my only friend. If you help with 50,000 loan, it'll be very helpful.
What's there in that? I'll give it to you.
Huh? Okay.
Okay, brother. Are you the teacher?
Yes, brother. Even I am a teacher.
Oh, is it so? I didn't know about you, so I thought I'd just ask about you. Hey, give it. Take it, brother. Here's what you asked for. Mr. Teacher, what's your name?
My name is Bhaskar.
Ah, Bhaskar. Ah, brother Bhaskar.
Yes, brother.
I have a known boy.
Okay, brother.
Who's not passed even 10th standard.
Sorry to hear
Why don't you take him also?
Bro, you're giving this much money. Will we not do that?
Yeah.
You send your son.
Send if there are any girls also.
Huh?
To make them study well.
Oh.
Then what? Take the cash and start the work.
Bro, go and take it.
Nobody, you take
Dude,
it.
you have to go and take.
Your hands are more lucky. You take it and give it.
Brother, just wait for a second. Just sign on that agreement and then take the money.
Didn't I say? Bro will get the signature and then only give the money. Put the
Hey, Bhaskar, do you have some property in your name?
No, brother. I must earn it
Okay,
here
then
after.
give it to Nalatambi.
myself.
Hey, sign wherever he shows.
He
man.
will show his back while pathing. Shall I put it there? Stupid.
What, Nalatambi? Talking amongst yourself. Just sign the agreement.
Bro, that is.
Buddy, it's my life, man.
Okay. Hey, can't you see the buffalo shouting? Give it some water.
Don't go for sentiments.
Who is
Sign,
crying?
man.
How can I be without seeing sentiment, man?
Don't sign! Don't sign in it! Don't sign! Please don't put sign!
Bro, who is that?
I'm telling
take him
for
and go.
your goodness,
Letting all these
please
bad
don't
people
put
inside.
sign!
Mad bugger. Haven't you signed yet? Just sign it, brother. Just sign it, man. Didn't I tell you about that boy who's failed at 10th standard? This is the one. See what a smiling face he's got. My son, no. How is he?
Father, did you tell about our grandpa to the new teacher?
I'll tell him.
Grandpa?
He is my father, Murugapandi. My father was the first man to study 10th class in my clan. 10th class is a common exam, but to pass it, he had an idea. Who are you two? Why are you two sitting together?
He is my teacher. Instead of me writing, I am making him to write the exam directly. Any problem?
I was smarter than my father. I went to write 10th exam learning 5 words. Those 5 words were, pass me or else I'll kill you. My son is a lion's cub. Just that he dozes off if it is silent. Exam halls are always silent. He just sleeps there. In spite of that,
Brother.
even if they wake him up,
Get up!
Although you are uneducated, you have 10-20 people under you and run like a factory.
nothing like
Great,
that.
bro.
All these guys have taken loans and nobody keeps up their promise. All are frauds.
Huh?
That's why I've employed them by signing an agreement like you for 2 years. Can you see all those people cleaning the dung there? They're almost all teachers. All of them are dullards. That's why I made all of them clean the dung. Hey brother Nalatambi, why are you standing there? Come, let's go. Just tell your friend and somehow get my son to pass 10th standard. Only if he doesn't pass, then I'll take your shop away and bring your whole family to the streets. And I'll make you also clean the dung. Because the signature was done by you. And that's how it has to be done. Somehow get him to pass 10th standard, my brother. You have to make him pass. Hey, take the vehicle.
Hey, careful, man. What happened, buddy?
What to do? That time itself I told don't sign. It's all fate. Go on, clean the floor. Go.
Knowingly or unknowingly, you have caught the tiger's tail, Mr. Nalatambi. If you release the tail, tiger will eat you, Nalatambi.
Dude, what man? You're telling Mr. Nalatambi that I've caught it. It will eat me. Why are you saying as if I'm strange to you, man? We both signed together
It
only,
just
no?
came out in a flow, man. We caught it together. It'll eat both
We
of
can
us.
manage when it eats. Leave that. Now what are we going to do?
I'll tell you what. Let's do something really big.
Oh God, save my family from going to streets.
Buddy, don't trust God. Trust yourself.
I am God. Get lost.
Look who has come here.
Who is he? He looks like a cookie
Hey,
seller.
he is going to be a tutorial teacher. He is my old classmate, very intelligent
Oh my
guy.
God. All the useless guys are joining together. Will my tutorial succeed?
Sir, if I can get some advance.
You want pudding before brushing
Hey,
teeth?
I'll
eh?
pay you after cutting the ribbon, man.
Buddy,
Okay, sir.
Will we cut the ribbon right?
Hey,
Hey, Talapati. How are you? Are you doing fine?
Welcome, bro.
Welcome, brother.
Greetings.
Why all these formalities,
that's
brother?
okay, brother. Please keep it.
Am I late for the function, brother?
No, brother. We just bought sweet and snacks.
What? Sweet teacher?
See how my lion cub is running. Don't worry that he's cut the ribbon now. In the future, he'll become a very big man. Only after he was born, I got 15 buffaloes.
If you give birth to a boy, you have to buy buffalo only.
What did you say?
Your son is indeed very lucky. Let's go in, bro. Bless me, bro. I'm like your son.
Move aside, man. Brother Bhaskar, you're a lucky fellow. Even if I take away his shop, or even if his whole family comes to the streets.
Bro, what, bro? As if my family coming to street is like you announcing Chennai Express getting into station. Too much, bro.
Brother, the truth must be told. Bhaskar, you should be very lucky to have a friend like him. Do you know how big a risk he's taken for you?
Brother, don't think that I'm praising him for nothing. Taking risk for Nalathambi is like eating rasam.
Either you eat rusk or biscuits. My son has to pass in his 10th standard. Or else Nalathambi, you remember, right?
This
Okay,
guy
I'll leave
is
now.
scaring me too much. The way he is eating bunches of bananas, I feel forest elephants will come to petty shop for eating bananas.
Hey, Bhaskar, ask him to teach something. I'm already sleepy.
Hey, before he doses off, teach him something,
For
man.
one student, I don't want to waste my energy.
You asked
like
for
this.
advance, no? Take this orange. Go. Don't stand near him for a long time. He'll bite you. Go and teach.
A square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b.
Learn the lesson. Drink tea. Song.
What is this, man? No one has come for admission yet?
First ask if this guy hasn't left.
That's not a problem, man. Today is his first day. He'll progress step by step, right? Here, listen to this. Our friendship song.
Hi, Nalathambi.
Please come in. Sit down. Hey, it seems they're distributing free hot food in the nearby temple. Go.
Food?
Yeah, go quickly.
Hey,
you
hey,
go down
hey,
and have 2 teas on
hey.
Nalathambi's account. You sit
Sir,
down, sit
sir,
down.
Gopal sir.
Hey, buddy, I forgot to tell you, man. I got a call from your salon. 20 people are waiting to shave their head. Go quickly.
Dude, why are you chasing everybody outside?
Buddy, my girl has come, man. She might feel like talking to me for 5 minutes personally. Can't say it, buddy. She might give me a kiss just to motivate me to go to the next stage, man.
Did we start the tutorial for that?
Try to understand me, man. Just leave. Come on, darling.
Hey, what do you think of yourself? Are you man? Did I say why I'm here? Did I? If your hand touches me, I'm warning you.
Why are you getting tense, darling?
Look, I don't want to talk to one who didn't want to talk to me at all. Nalathambi, I came to meet you and to talk to you. What? Okay, right?
Okay.
Then Nalathambi, only one staff, one student? Who are you teaching in an empty classroom? Is there a limit to your duty consciousness? I have forgotten to tell you. Don't worry that students haven't turned up. Wait for another 4-5 months. Because the face value both of you possess, you'll get more admissions. Okay, bye.
Buddy, I think what my girl says is absolutely right. Why can't we wait for 4 to 5 months?
Have we come for pregnancy or what? Remove the cooling glass, man. She is taunting that nobody will come looking at our faces.
Oh, so we can say it like that also.
Oh my god. This guy is not able to understand even this silly matter. I've started this big venture trusting him. God
Buddy.
save me, please.
No. Hey.
Boss, we are 30 members.
30 members.
He's the gang leader.
Hello, brother.
Greetings, bro.
Let's place a small shop in a tutorial, okay? That's make us no need to go out, right?
Hey, are we running a wine shop here? For you to open shops or eateries outside? We can't do all that. If you fail, we'll sure return the money.
However, you're gonna settle back our money. Better pay us 100 rupees in installment. That is more useful for us. Am I right, gang leader? Boss, just think about it.
That's not applicable in this scheme.
Yeah.
I'll think of adding it next time.
First, you go to jail, release those 30 prisoners and come. Go.
Hey, crowd is so much, man. Shall we pay advance income tax?
Hey, let's first try to pay the tax for Pal Party.
If we fail, will you pay by check or cash?
Brother, come to class with the hope of passing. You look like you want to fail and get your money back. Don't you have any responsibility?
Dear students, as we don't have time, we will go directly to the subject.
Sir,
What man? Doubt even before we could start?
no need of anything. Just shut and get lost.
Hey, what is this, guys? Hey, don't do this. Hey. Hey, stop. Don't hit me. Hey, guys, don't do this. I'm your teacher.
Hey, what are you
What is
doing, man?
happening?
Do you
What
know
is
what
this?
will happen
Hey.
if Gopal sir comes to know about this?
Hello, I am the Gopalya.
Sir, what happened? You went in like binding book and now coming out like rough note.
Are these all students? For taking classes for them, it is better I sit on the road and beg.
Gopal
Don't
sir.
go. Buddy, look there.
Oh, this guy.
You gave teas and rapped on my head, right? Even if God thinks, nobody can stop you from cleaning dung. Catch you later.
Pixar talking punch dialogues.
Don't feel sad, buddy. We will do something.
Dude, what? You said we'll do something? Now walking to and fro like a watchman?
Buddy, I'm seriously thinking in which way to take our successful journey.
Fool.
Uh.
Bloody, taking loan on interest, he's still thinking of roots.
Hello? Buddy, it's a missed call from your sister.
What?
My girl, man. But I have a doubt. These girls always give missed calls only. Why is that?
With the neck deep problems we are facing, are all these doubts so important?
Come on, tell me, why do they give missed calls?
That's not missed call, dude. Those are signals of ditching your bright future.
Oh.
Your girl too will ditch you in the near future. Go.
You are jealous, buddy.
Chandrika? Hello, I am in an important meeting. We'll call you back. Okay. If she calls you, call her back, man. If not, she is calling me.
See, buddy, if one cannot get a busy businessman's phone, he will obviously try his assistant's phone. That's a rule, right?
Dude, she's
Hi,
calling to talk.
Nalatambi. You said you're in a meeting, right? I know it. For sure you will be with your English professor. Then Nalatambi, from today your name is Challenge Nalatambi. Is it so?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, from now I'm going to call like that. I saw the posters. Beautifully done. Chanceless. It's overcrowded in your center, it seems. Due to traffic jam everywhere, there's a chaos. There is a queue till Tanjavur. Congratulations, huh? Congratulations, Nalatambi.
Thank you.
Okay, I'll take leave.
Okay.
Oh my god.
Ambani Brothers. It seems you owe rupees 107.50 paise to the tea shop.
107 rupees 50 paise. It should be 110 only.
Actually,
okay.
when I'm coming, Naya said, if you're not going to pay it by today evening, he's going to throw hot water on your face. Anyway, while going down, be careful. Okay, Nalatambi, bye. Nalatambi, to you only. Bye.
Okay.
Nalatambi, look at me, bye.
Dude, look at her, man.
This you could have done earlier.
Guys having 50-60 friends in this town are all happy. I am having only one friend and tortures I am undergoing.
You are my real
Hey,
friend, man.
Take your hand, man. Those were days when I dream angels used to come. Now I close my eyes, Pal Party and his father only coming. When this is the condition, anybody failing will refund them. Likewise, you've made me a borrower everywhere.
Buddy, don't talk negatively.
Then shall I talk like a print photocopy?
Come on, don't make it a comedy. See here, we didn't have anything. Now we are running a tutorial. First nobody came. Now we have many students. Nobody is studying now. But hereafter they'll study and they'll pass the exam. Failures are just a stepping stone to grand success. We must work like fire, Mr. Nalatambi.
When it comes to work, I am an Englishman. In the magic that I am going to do tomorrow, our boys are going to be freezed. Hello.
Hey, you said you'll make all the students to freeze in the tutorial? All are standing outside and scratching their head. Where are you?
Boss, look front. She's a teacher.
Leave it, Nallatambi. This is very usual thing. I'll take care of him.
Oh, okay.
Buddy, she is a very good teacher. Who
Yeah,
is she
yeah.
actually?
You don't know her? She's famous for bit, dude.
Her bits?
Yeah. Wherever she goes as examiner, no students can use bit. She will catch, twist and
Really?
turn them. Look how the boys are sitting freezed on the benches.
Hi, students. I'm Parimala, your new teacher. Okay, listen to the lesson. Hey, why are you standing? Please sit down. You'll get tired.
Teacher, the full board is not visible if we sit down, teacher.
What an interest in the lesson. I need students just like you.
Hey, I'll take it. I'll take it.
Don't rush. Careful.
Take it, teacher.
Thank you.
It's okay, teacher. I'm really proud to help you, teacher.
Very good. Go and sit.
Dude, did you look at them? Even the small pin will disrupt the pin drop silence. Such a silence.
Buddy, superb man. You have proved that you're really a well-experienced man in this.
Dude, I would have done this already. But you are an upcoming boy. These are things I've left for you. Life is just an experience.
Hey, I need to learn a lot of things from you, man.
Hey.
Hey, come on,
Leave
teach
it,
me,
yeah.
please.
Yes.
What did you just do?
Buddy, this is the gesture of victory.
Gesture of
Ah.
victory?
Hey, if I make this gesture, it means my shop is safe, my family is safe. Why did you do it?
My sister will get married. I'll get married.
Oh, is it like that? Shall we both do the gesture of victory? Yes. Yes. Dude, I think the class is going to get over. Come, let's go.
Today's class is over. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.
Teacher. How are my students, teacher?
Nallatambi, don't worry. All the students are very good, just like
Buddy, me too.
Teacher for him also.
you. You people see, definitely everyone will pass. May I go? Bye.
Okay.
Thank you.
What a teacher.
Dude, look at them. They are frozen like an ice.
You have achieved it.
My dear students, future our country pillars.
What do you say? Have you understood maths lessons properly?
Palpandi sir, how did the maths teacher teach?
Is she a maths teacher? You never told that?
Oh my god, you should only help me. My son, you should never worry for anything. Is there a way to escape?
See before that.
Okay. My son, just go and check the result.
Okay, Daddy. Please bless
Live
me.
long, my lion cub. Victory is ours.
Hey, look, he's coming.
Brother, what happened? Why are you crying? What happened? My lion cub should not cry. Oh my God!
What do we do?
What is this, man?
Sir, what happened? Brother, if you yourself cry like this, what will we do? Brother, has our brother failed again? Just tell yes, I will kill both of these guys. Don't you know the difference between sad tears and happy tears? What I'm shedding now is because of happiness. My son, this lion cub, has passed his 10th standard. Hey, we've all passed. Come on, let's enjoy. Put the garland, lift these Thalapathi's. Come on. Nalatambi, the saloon is for you. Take it. Keep it with you. I don't want any interest. Come on, guys. Let's go to the temple and celebrate.
Bro, that wine bottle you forgot.
Hey, wait. Give it to me. Take this.
Thanks,
Nalatambi,
bro.
drink and create any kind of ruckus. I am here to help
Okay.
you. Come on, guys.
Thank you, bro.
Bye.
Buddy, you have made so many sacrifices.
Thank you.
I don't have anything, buddy. Hey, but I have one thing to give you.
What?
My life. Take it, man. Take it, buddy.
Hey, why are you taking my life instead of taking yours? Now that you got everything clear the way.
No, my brother. Now I have money and car. But then, he insulted us without giving even a penny as loan. Hell. If you weren't there, I can't even think about it. You are my real friend. Now come, let's go.
Dude, you go enjoy with your girl. I have a small work. I'll finish that and come.
Why I need felicitation function? Tell me, what did I do for that? I'm asking what did I do? I did only my duty, isn't it? For that, why this felicitation? In this city, I have helped thousands of people. Many gained because of me. You can't show a finger and tell that this person has lost because of me. It's impossible. Is there anyone? Bravely you can tell. Please tell. Come out.
I am there, sir. Greetings.
You? What brother is telling is funny. Brother, please come. Open your mind and speak. Come and share your experience, brother. Come on, please come. Nice to meet you.
Greetings. Everybody, greetings. Making loan seekers go from pillar to post. Mister, move your tummy. Greetings to Shanmuga Sundaram. Sir said he doesn't like such a felicitation. Then why the hell did you come
Mister.
here? Hey, I'll cut your face. Sit, I'll cut your face. Hey, the ladies and gentlemen, please sit down. Say, sit down. I've seen much worse goons. Dear, come here. Dear. Come and stand here. What's this bushy dog-like hairstyle in this old age? Style, punk hairstyle at the age of becoming a grandfather, I will cut it. Okay. When my friend came seeking loan, what should have been your response? What you should have told him? You should have said you will sanction or not sanction. But you felt as if you were giving the loan from your own pocket. You humiliated and sent him out. Are you so great or what? I am asking you, that big person in a small cabin with just one rolling chair, you feel so much proud working means one line, 4 rolling chair in my shop. I am cutting hair going round. How proud should I feel? How proud I should feel? Wait. Hello? Dude, 1 second. Dude, how will you scold your girl's father? Yeah. Sorry for disturbance. Hey, did you find who? Your younger son-in-law. It seems he is not in mood to abuse you, but still he was so nasty. If he was in mood, he will use all bad words. See, Sundaram, behave properly, not to hurt Bhaskar. If I get report again, too. I have an important work. I'll come back.
Oh my god.
I didn't do anything.
Dude, at least hit me once and then run, or else the history will talk bad about our friendship.
What is this, buddy? He is coming like this in a big car, wearing coat and suit. Hey, it's over for me, buddy. I am totally screwed.
Hello? Hi, I'm almost inside. Hey guys, nice hairstyle, huh? Can you please tell me where is Mr. Shanmugam?
Tell wrong marriage on.
Yeah, that's right. Am I late or something? Yeah, there's heavy traffic over there.
What is this? He speaks so smart, man. How can I do it?
Hey, the servant in the Anglo-Indian house itself will be this rich. He would have borrowed the coat suit from neighbor's house. Shall I bring such coat? Shall I bring?
Shut up.
Dude, he's coming. Just take him all alone and disclose all the matters.
Then Siva,
just
everything
Yeah,
is
absolutely fine, as I told you.
Why you want to talk to this law first? It's time.
Sir, please wait. We want to talk to him.
Just tell me.
Regarding Chandrika's marriage, I need to talk something.
Go ahead. Hey,
tell you want to talk to him.
Details, right?
Hello. I need to talk to you alone.
Shiva, your flight is getting delayed.
Sir, it's an important matter. Please talk and go.
Okay.
Security, open this or break it.
Enough.
Why, buddy?
Cool drink is not good for our health,
Is
buddy.
it so? Just see if it is alright now.
Yeah, now it's okay.
Teetotaler. That means a person having no bad habits.
Hey, buddy.
Uncle, are you joining with us?
Siva, what is this? What is this you are doing? I couldn't believe it. Your father told me proud things about you.
Hey, no father knows fully. Son is a gentleman. So what? Buddy, you make a drink. Just make it, man.
Siva, like a good man wearing all this coat, you cheated me.
Hey, who told you people in suits are gentlemen? Did I claim so? I'm wearing suit too. Conceal quarter bottles.
What?
Buddy, side dish.
My God, Siva, I introduce you as a teetotaler to everybody.
Father-in-law, I don't drink tea or coffee. Only brandy, uncle. Hey, pickle will go good with brandy. Pickle.
Yeah, pickle. Oh, there is nothing left. Buddy, see if he'll go.
Father-in-law, our pickle got over. Can you please sit here?
What you fellows? Playing, huh? Tell me, you're not giving respect for my age? Wait, I'll call your father. Then he'll know.
Oh my god, he's calling me dad. Uncle,
Wait.
Please, uncle, please don't call my dad. Uncle, please, uncle. I'm really very scared, uncle. Hey, please tell, man. Get lost, madman.
Huh? Bhaskar.
Sorry, Mr. Sundaram. In life, you'll always find a better one. Just be happy with whatever we have. This is said by the superstar. You selected me, he is not good. Now I'm not good. What will you do now? Will you search for another one? It'll go on like a chugging train. What, bro? Chickabook. So what I'm trying to say is, all the best. What more I can say?
We are happy about the things happened. All of a sudden your mind has changed. What is the reason?
You and Bhaskar is a friends? Or you, Bhaskar and Nalathambi put together a drama?
Yes, it's a drama, sir. But not a drama initiated by me, Bhaskar and Nalathambi. Hello? Who is it? Calling it busy time. Hey, Rajesh! Dan, how are you? What? Not like that, director. The heroine was beautiful. So, I got a little emotional, slightly changed, huh? Yeah, you're right. Okay, definitely. Action? Oh, wait. Hey, Arya, that Nayanthara, oh my god. Hey, Bhaskar, what is